Cavity teeth treatment. 3D animation. Cavity teeth are a common oral health issue worldwide. Treatment begins with a careful examination to determine the extent of decay. The dentist first numbs the area with local anesthesia, ensuring the procedure is comfortable. Once the tooth is numbed, all decayed tissue is gently removed using specialized dental instruments. The area is then thoroughly cleaned to eliminate bacteria and prepare the tooth for restoration. A filling material, often composite resin, is placed in layers to rebuild the tooth's natural shape. Each layer is hardened with a special light for durability and strength. The dentist carefully shapes and polishes the filling, restoring both appearance and function. After treatment, maintaining good oral hygiene and scheduling regular dental checkups are essential for preventing future cavities. Brushing, flossing, and limiting sugary foods help protect your teeth and keep your smile healthy. Modern dental techniques make cavity treatment safe, effective, and comfortable, supporting lifelong oral health for people of all ages. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and hit like. This channel is all about teeth, dental health, and oral care. This is educational content only. If you experience any symptoms or concerns, please consult a dentist immediately. Dental Vision 3D Animation.